Hello everyone, my name is Bernanda Dirgahayu Purba. Today I want to presentation my essay. The title is Plantation Accounting System that Support and Improve Financial Activities. The world economic crisis, which is exacerbated by the impact of the COVID-19 virus, should encourage the state to strengthen the fundamentals of the national economy by strengthening the economy of farmers and people who work in rural areas through the expansion of smallholder plantations. Factors supporting people's plantation should also be a serious concern from the government. It is the obligation of the government and regional governments to provide financing for the development of smallholder plantation sourced from the APBN, APBD, and the collection of funds for plantation business actors as part of the reallocation of the budget for economic recovery from the impact of COVID-19. In addition, the local government, based on its authority, can facilitate multi-stakeholder cooperation in developing diversification of plantation product and empowering smallholder plantations. In addition, plantation companies must also improve the accounting system during the current pandemic so that companies do not experience losses and increase profits. Plantation accounting is one of the areas of accounting that requires special treatment and is different from other areas of accounting. This difference occurs because many different accounts must be recorded. So, plantation accounting gets more special treatment than other areas of accounting. What is meant by plantation are business activity of managing or breeding perennials such as coconut, palm oil, rubber, mahogany, tea, chocolate, coffee, and so on that aim to get results several years in the future in accordance with the biological age and production age of each plant. Indonesia itself has one of the largest plantation company that belongs to the state-owned enterprises, namely PT Nusantara Plantation. Because accounting has different treatment, the rules are distinguished. Here are some relevant PSAK governing plantation accounting. Plantation companies, be it oil palm plantation, crops, coffee, tea, etc., of course, also cannot be separated from technological advance. With the advancement of technology, thus plantation can use technology to obtain market information, product information to control the work in the field. One of the main concerns could be the utilization of accounting systems or accounting software. With the accounting system of plantation companies can more easily manage and control every financial transaction that comes in and out. In general, both for oil palm plantation and others, the transaction activities of plantation companies are divided into several stages, among others 1. Nursery stage, 2. Land preparation stage, 3. Stage of planting and transferring seedlings to land areas, 4. Stage of care and fertilization, 5. Harvesting and handling crops, 6. Harvest processing stage. Palm oil plantation accounting software. Furthermore, when we get to the stage of processing the crop into oil or other product in EASY by using the module job costing or module manufacture, here we record all transactions from raw material to finished good. And lastly, for the sale of the processing result in EASY accounting, can use the sales module where we will be able to see the value of sales, receivable, and HPP goods sold. There are many contributions that can be made by accounting software when you use it. But to convince you to start using software, here are 4 uses of software for plantation business. 1. Control usage of feeds. misuse of cost or miscalculation often occur in plantation business due to the large number of expenditure and sales activity so that it can confuse plantation business in using budget. But by using accounting software, you can control the cost of the plantation process ranging from the cost of feeding, crop maintenance, the use of fertilizer, to plants producing fruit product that can be marketed. 2. For comparison notes. The cost for the use of business operation usually differs over several time periods. Fortunately, accounting software can record costs every department, so you can compare the use of budget with the realization of cost every department itself so that your plantation business can continue to run smoothly. 3. Manage inventory stock. Stock inventory and stock management for plantation business is very important because by knowing the amount of stock inventory and how to process it, the company can determine when to replant crops, when to use supporting stock such as fertilizer or medicines, and when it needs to be done marketing product to the market. Therefore, if you think the recording of stock inventory is very important, then you can use accounting software to record it. 4. Automate the system. Recording for every activity in the plantation business can take a lot of time and effort, so to be able to focus and other things can be difficult. But with accounting software, you just need to input the transaction data and let the system work for you. In conclusion, plantation companies in Indonesia must upgrade their accounting software to EASY software to make the financial system easier and improve it in the current pandemic era. So it is a presentation from me. I want to say thank you and goodbye.